Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix Windows Update error code 0x80070422. So how we can fix this error? So you can see this error when you try to update your system. Just go to settings and here in settings you choose update and recovery, and also in Windows Update you will see here this error and you wouldn't update your system with this error. So how you can fix it? First of all, you need to go to search, and in search just write services and you will see the services app. So just open it. So after you open it, so just choose Windows Event Collector, right click on it, choose Properties, and here you choose Type Automatic and just click Start and choose Apply. Click OK. Second, you need to choose is Windows Event Log. Just right click on it and choose Properties, and here you can see that it's also automatic and it's Start. So you must click Start if it's not Start and choose here Automatic if you have some other options turning on here. So and the last is here you can see Windows Update. So here it is, Windows Update. So just open it, Properties. So here you just choose Automatic and Start, Apply, and just close it. So after you do this, you won't see this error and you will successfully update your system. Just go to settings and choose update and recovery, and like I showed you, just choose Windows Update and you will successfully update your system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.